Hello everyone, it's Ben from TV Parts today. On the table in front of me we have a Samsung model. It is a UN65TU7000FXZA. We're just going to be going over a real quick tutorial on how to get these boards out of your unit in case you need to do a board swap. So we're just going to jump right in. First up is the main board. First step is going to be getting all of these plugs out. We can take this speaker, pop it right out. These two blue plugs that you can see here, they pop out, pop right back in, no problem. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way with this yellow clip. Use our thumbnail to depress the little clip on there, pull it right out, set it off to the side. This guy right here is going to have two little buttons on either side. We'll depress both of those, slowly walk it out of there, no problem. This guy, get our fingernail up underneath the flap, pop it out, comes right out. This is going to be the similar style to this one, so we want to depress both of those pieces. I'm going to use two hands here just to help it out. And you will see it came out kind of sideways here. We just want to pop it back in. Try one more time. Easy stuff. So now to get the board away from the chassis, there is a small little bump, a little nubbin here on the corner that we want to just very, very gently lift up on the board so where it comes up and over that. Find a good angle here. I think probably the best way is going to be right here. And then the whole thing just slides out and comes right away. Next up is going to be the power supply board. There is just one plug that connects to the main board here. We want to depress both of the pieces on the side, slowly walk it away. Looks like this one's coming out sideways as well. Just pop it back in, try again. There it goes. So this is a little bit trickier here. We're going to want to depress this button, lift up on the corner of the board, and all simultaneously push over. It just pops right out. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in to another TV Parts Today teardown tutorial. We are going to have a link down below to the subreddit if you have any questions on how to get these boards out, if you have any questions about TV repair. There is also going to be a link to the video on how to get the back off of these screwless Samsung units, and we'll see you next time.